Welcome to my review of the 10 best essential Amazon accessories for your pickup truck in 2025. Whether you're looking to boost functionality, style, or security, these accessories will help you make the most of your ride. From cameras to bed covers, I've got you covered. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. AutoVox Wireless Camera. The AutoVox wireless camera is a game changer for truck owners who want to enhance safety and convenience. It provides clear, high-definition video feed directly to your phone or dashboard, making reversing or parking a breeze. The wireless installation ensures you don't have to worry about messy wires, while its night vision feature allows for excellent visibility even in low-light conditions. This camera is weather-resistant, ensuring reliable performance in all seasons, offering peace of mind every time you drive.
Truck Bed Storage Bin Cover. The Truck Bed Storage Bin Cover is the perfect solution for keeping your tools and gear secure. Designed to fit seamlessly over your storage bins, this cover provides added protection against rain, dirt, and dust, keeping your equipment dry and organized. Its durable material ensures long-lasting use, and the lockable feature prevents unauthorized access to your truck bed storage. Whether you're on a work site or on an adventure, this cover will keep your valuable items safe and easily accessible.
Gear Carrier Side Toolbox. The Gear Carrier Side Toolbox is a must-have for those looking to maximize their truck storage capacity. Mounted on the side of your bed, this toolbox keeps your gear organized and easy to reach without taking up valuable space in the bed. Made from high-strength, weatherproof materials, it's built to withstand tough conditions. The toolbox is lockable, ensuring your tools and equipment stay safe while you're on the go. This accessory is perfect for anyone who needs additional secure storage for their truck. Retractable Ratchet Straps. Retractable ratchet straps are essential for securing cargo during transport. These straps feature a retractable design, allowing you to easily roll them back into place after use, keeping them neat and out of the way. With their heavy-duty construction and secure locking mechanism, they ensure your items stay tightly fastened and don't shift during transit. Whether you're hauling equipment or recreational gear, these straps will give you the confidence that everything is safely secured in your truck bed. JB Weld Truck Bed Liner. The JB Weld Truck Bed Liner is designed to protect your truck bed from scratches, dents, and damage caused by everyday use. This tough, durable liner is easy to apply and provides a strong, resilient surface that stands up to impacts, chemicals, and extreme temperatures. It creates a non-slip surface that prevents your cargo from shifting, keeping everything in place. The black textured finish enhances the appearance of your truck while offering reliable protection for years to come. Rooftop Hardshell Tent. The Rooftop Hardshell Tent is a perfect accessory for adventurers who want to take their pickup truck camping. This tent easily mounts to your truck's roof, providing a comfortable and secure sleeping space. With its durable hardshell design, it offers superior protection from the elements while maintaining a lightweight and aerodynamic profile. Setup is quick and simple, and the tent includes built-in ventilation to keep the interior cool and fresh. Whether you're off-roading or on a weekend getaway, this tent turns your truck into a mobile home. Elastic Cargo Bed Net. The Elastic Cargo Bed Net is an affordable yet practical way to secure your load in the truck bed. Made from heavy-duty elastic material, this net stretches to accommodate various cargo sizes and shapes. Its tight-knit design ensures that smaller items don't slip through, keeping everything in place during transport. The net is easy to install and remove, and it's adjustable to fit different truck bed sizes. Whether you're hauling gear, groceries, or furniture, this net keeps your load secure and organized. Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. The soft roll-up tonneau cover is an excellent choice for those looking to protect their truck bed while maintaining easy access. This cover rolls up quickly, allowing you to open your truck bed without removing the entire cover. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it provides protection against rain, snow, and dirt. The cover's soft, sleek design enhances the appearance of your truck while keeping your gear secure. It's easy to install, and the roll-up feature makes loading and unloading a hassle-free experience. Mole Side Panels. Cybertruck, the mole side panels for the Cybertruck are perfect for truck owners who want to add customizable storage options to their vehicle. These panels allow you to attach a variety of accessories, such as pouches, tools, or bags, keeping your gear organized and easily accessible. The panels are made from durable, military-grade materials that can withstand tough conditions. Installation is straightforward, and the panels are designed to fit seamlessly with the Cybertruck's unique design, making them an excellent addition for off-road enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. Kemimoto UTV Cargo Bed Mat. The Kemimoto UTV Cargo Bed Mat is designed to protect your truck's bed while providing a non-slip surface for transporting gear. Made from heavy-duty rubber, this mat is tough and durable, ensuring it can withstand the roughest conditions. It helps prevent cargo from shifting and damaging your truck bed, while also providing additional cushioning for your items. The mat is easy to install and clean, making it a hassle-free addition to any truck. Whether you're using your UTV for work or play, this cargo bed mat is a must-have.
That's it for our review of the top 10 best essential Amazon accessories for your pickup truck. We hope this video helped you find the perfect additions to your truck. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future product reviews. Check out the links in the description below for more details and the latest prices. Thanks for watching.